So, hello and good morning, everybody. Guess what do I have here?
Bubbles.
Come on, can we start blowing bubbles, everybody? Omema, can you help me, please? Blow bubbles. Do you have soapy water with you, everybody?
Yes.
Do you have soapy water? Yes?
When Ali is doing his bubble making experiment, I also made with him.
Okay, go on. Go on, do your bubbles if you have soapy. Do you have? You can do it either with your hands. Abdullah, can you show it? How you're going to do with your hands, Abdullah? Put your camera down. Yeah, go on. Or you can roll a piece of paper, dip it in the soapy water and blow. See, there he goes. Oh, look at that bubble, Abdullah. Check that out. Go on. Come on, try it. Yeah, I know this is a big one Umema is doing. Lovely.
Shabana ma'am, see, I made with Ali. I kept
Wow. Okay. Now I want you to make bubbles with it. Come on, Rishda. I'm not showing any video. I want to see everybody of yours video today making bubbles. Rishda, you're on mute. Ibrahim, where's your soapy water?
I didn't make any bubble mixture.
Oh.
It's on the process.
Oh, it's in the process. What about you, Aisha Aga? Juveria? I said be ready with your soapy water, right? Go on. Okay, there's Yahya. Oh.
Ma'am,
Okay, Abdullah, what's the trick? How do you do it, Abdullah? With your
ma'am, what do you want to do?
blow bubbles. Abdullah, please unmute yourself and show the trick how you do with your hand.
Ma'am, what do you want to do?
I first put my hands in the soapy water, then I make a circle, and then I put my finger like this in the middle of it, and then I blow the bubble.
Okay. Now, tell me when this bubbles. Abdullah, you can unmute yourself now, please. Okay. Now you tell me this bubble, okay, what state of matter is it? Tell me. Is it a solid? Is it a liquid? Or is it a gas?
What do you want to do?
Liquid.
Liquid? Okay,
And
liquid
gas.
and gas. Okay, some say liquid and some say gas and some say both. Okay. Are you sure it isn't solid? No? Okay. All right. Can you change the shape of the bubbles to make it big and small?
And the
Yes. And how does that happen? Does the bubble heat lots and then it becomes bloated and fat?
Yes, it leads lots of gas and then it becomes bigger.
Thank you, Rajda. Perfect. You know
what do you want to do? Shabana ma'am, what do you want to do?
Humaira, as of now, you just listen to what I'm saying and then we'll do with the experiment. Okay? Humaira? So that means...
Okay, ma'am, I don't know that.
No, we'll do it, Humaira. Okay? We'll tell you what experiment to be done. That means the more gas is there inside a liquid, that much more bigger your bubble will be. Am I right? Am I right? Right.
Yes.
That means your bubble is made up of liquid outside and it has got gas in it. Anywhere else that you've seen bubble, I just showed it to you right now with soapy water. Anywhere else that you've seen bubbles, can anybody tell me?
In liquid.
Ma'am,
Aquarium.
Aquarium, okay.
Ma'am,
Fantastic.
in fizzy drinks.
Sorry, Abdullah, I couldn't hear you.
In fizzy drinks.
Fizzy drinks. Okay, you mean like this.
Yes.
Okay, can y'all see it now?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, Rashda, what did you say, Rashda?
Ma'am,
Ibrahim, yes, tell me.
Yeah, hear you, ma'am.
Okay, aquarium. Ibrahim, what do you see?
aquarium, I just said.
Fantastic. Yeah, Umar, anybody wants to answer?
Ma'am, in bathroom.
Yes.
Soapy water.
Yeah, I know you take lots of time in taking a bath, and now I know why you take lots of time. Because you're actually playing with that soap and rubbing the bubbles around you. Am I right? Yeah. Look at that smile, all that face. How many of you all have done that? Making bubbles all over your body, and then ooh, yeah. You've done that. Everybody's done that. Even I've done it.
I mix the shampoo and the soap.
Oh, Ibrahim, thank you.
What we rub one.
Okay, fantastic. Umar has done it. Aisha Aga, have you done that? Where's Aisha Kazi today? I'm missing you, Aisha Kazi.
Yes.
Yes? And you still do it, right? Okay. And how many of us blow bubbles in a drink? Everybody does that, right? Though our parents say don't do it, then also we do it.
When I brush my teeth, I blow a bubble also.
Oh, really? When you brush with that toothpaste kind of thing, fantastic. And then you...
Ma'am, volcano.
All the bubbles come.
Volcano, fantastic. Okay. Yes, Yahya, you were saying something?
Ma'am, bubble.
Okay.
Bubble
come. Okay.
Ma'am,
I'll show you something.
Ma'am, when we boil, the bubbles come.
Okay. How many of y'all can make bubbles with your mouth? How many of y'all can do it? Do it. Do it. Can you do it? How will you do it? Okay, when you eat a bubble gum, you can do it, right? But with your saliva, how many of y'all can do it?
And only when we brush that time.
Okay, you know what? I'll ask. I think. All right. You know what? There's a trick which I'm going to show y'all. Not me. Okay, Imran is going to show y'all of how to make bubbles. Okay, in your mouth. Okay, so he's not available right now. When he comes at the end of the session, I'll ask him to show it to you. Okay, right. But the thing is, you're not going to do it in front of your parents, and you're not going to do it on each other's brothers and sisters. Got it? Yeah, got it? Because that's pretty disgusting. Well, I find it disgusting. But it's okay, at times you can do disgusting things. All right, now you know what? Who's this golden sparrow out here? I thought Juveria was golden sparrow. We have another golden sparrow. Who is this? Who is this?
Yes, I am there. Can they recognize my voice? I want them to guess me actually.
Shazia ma'am.
Ah, who said that? Abdullah.
Ah, is Shazia ma'am solid, liquid, or gas?
I think some liquid.
All the three.
Ma'am.
All the three.
All the three. So okay, let me.
Also.
Yeah.
Drink
And gas also.
Solid.
Okay.
All three.
All three. Okay.
All three. Okay, so solid would be what part? Fantastic. What would
Liquid
be
would-
liquid?
Blood.
Oh, blood.
Blood.
Gas
Oh.
would be which we take.
Oxygen and carbon.
Okay.
Gas will be oxygen.
Okay, so liquid.
Liquid would be blood and the solid would be skin.
And liquid would be only blood, or is there any other liquid?
The chemicals in our
Ma'am, there are many types of liquids in our body.
chemicals
Okay,
in
give me
our
more
stomach,
examples.
chemicals.
Saliva.
Fantastic.
Stomach acid.
Saliva. What else? Oh my
Chemicals.
God, it's so
Which
hot.
we drink.
It's
That is
so
also
hot.
stored.
It's so
Ma'am,
Sweat.
Sweat.
Okay. Oh my God, I didn't get my favorite.
Tears.
Tears.
Yeah. You have so much of liquid in your body. Actually, human body is made up of 70% of liquid. Fantastic. Brilliant.
Ma'am,
Yeah, sorry. Aisha, you got muted.
even the mud in our body has water.
Fantastic. And in fact, the urine that you pass, oh my God, I have to go. You know what happened? Please, somebody, I think there's too much of background noise. Yeah. You know what happens? What happens?
Ma'am, this is
Yeah.
okay.
You know, while watching your favorite football game, you know, or your favorite movie, you all control yourself. And as soon as there's a commercial and advertisement, you run and you're like, woo! So what's that? Pass the urine. That is liquid again. And you need to pass urine because it has all the toxics in your body which has to be flushed out so that you are healthy. Okay, so Shazia ma'am, you are a perfect example, a beautiful example, may I say, of solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes.
Okay, right? Gas. Shazia ma'am and gas? She's too
I am fat.
gas. She doesn't pass gas.
Ma'am,
Everyone farts.
ma'am,
Everyone fat.
Okay.
ma'am, our tears are also liquid.
Oh, yes. Fantastic. The tears are also liquid. You
And
know what?
Shabana, the chemicals in our body.
Yes, yes, yes. Fantastic, Umar. I love it. So, Shazia ma'am,
And
how do you
stomach
find my
acid
class?
also.
Yes, yeah, yeah. How do you find my class, Shazia ma'am?
It's very, very interactive. I'm loving it, Shabana, really.
I know they come up with such brilliant ideas like
Really,
farting
really.
and all, right? Okay, like teacher, like student, right? So teacher talks about running for urine, so obviously fantastic. Okay, you know what? I gave you an assignment. Shazia ma'am, I'll take few more minutes. And
Yeah, not a problem at all. I'm
yes,
free.
Mohammed Saqib, the juice in the stomach, or I should say all the kind of, acids in the stomach, fantastic. Yeah. Rushda, would you share your assignment which you've done, please, Rushda? I'd given them an assignment on Tuesday and Rushda did a brilliant job. So I really want her to share it with the entire class, please.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, please. Ibrahim was the first one to give it, submit his assignment, and Rushda was like absolutely fantastic. And I would like you to explain also, Rushda.
These are the properties of solid. So it takes up space. If the solid is put in a liquid, the liquid will rise higher because the solid will take space. And the solid also has mass. If you take a light container and put a solid in it, the container will gain weight. This is because the solid has mass. And it also has volume because it has volume with a definite shape. Volume has 3 dimensions: width, height, and depth. A solid has all of that. And it also has a definite shape. If you put a solid in a container, it will retain its shape. And these are the properties of liquid. It takes up space too. If the liquid is poured in a container, it will take the shape of a container and retain its quantity. And it also has mass. If you take a light container and pour a liquid in it, the container will gain weight. This is because the liquid has mass. But it has volume, but without a definite shape. It will take the volume of the container itself. And it has a shape, but it's not definite. If you pour the liquid in a container, it'll take the shape of the container. And last but not least, gas. It takes up space too. If the gas is filled in a container, it will take the container shape. No, it won't really take the container shape. It will just float around everywhere, but it will retain its quantity. It also has mass. If you take a light container and fill it with several types of gas, the container can lose weight or either gain weight or lose weight. This is because the type of gas has mass. And it has no volume and no shape. The gas will float around everywhere and will not take the volume and the shape of the container, unlike liquid. And it also has no shape. If you fill a container with glass, the gas will float around and will not take the shape of the container.
Okay, brilliant, Rushda. Thank you so much. Everybody clap for Rushda, please. She's done a very, very good job. Okay, like volume, I'll just explain once more. The volume part is nothing but the actual amount of space taken by an object. So you measure the volume in length, you measure it in breadth, and you measure it in width. Okay, so it could be any object, all right? And if you measure it in length, you measure the width, and you measure the breadth, that is your volume and nothing else. It could be your liquid as well. When I measure the volume, of the liquid, it would be in liters. If I'm measuring the solid, again, it would be in the form of length, breadth, and width. Okay. So, Ibrahim, you had a question regarding gas.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't understand the properties of gas.
Okay. Now you understood after Rushda explained.
Yes, I had a doubt on the volume and the mass.
Volume, gas volume is no specific because gas just floats around wherever. Remember we did that experiment while burning the paper? The gas was in the lower jar, but as soon as I put a jar on top of it, the gas just went up. So it takes up whatever space is available. So it does not have any kind of volume. You cannot measure it. It does not have any kind of shape. It has mass, right? You remember? If you remember, you have the cylinders at home by which you start the gas.
And what is
Mass is the weight. The weight. Remember, I had a weighing machine and then I put the stone on it, on the weighing machine, and then we weighed it to 100 grams. So that is your mass. Okay, so mass is nothing. Mass. Your weight. Got it? Okay. Your mass will be.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
The weight is there, that's the mass.
Yes, the weight is the mass. The only difference is the mass will not change anywhere. The weight changes as per the gravitational pull. We can go into details later, but remember mass and weight is the same. Okay, remember when we start the gas, okay, we have this slide. Okay, suppose I start a gas, okay, I do that, right? And you remember the cylinders you have through which it starts? Why are those cylinders heavy? Because they are filled with gas. And because they are filled with gas, what happens? They become heavy. That means gas also has mass. Gas has weight. Got it, Ibrahim?
Ma'am, I want to tell one fact.
Yes, yeah. You always give me those bonus brownie points. Hello, Hamza. Good morning.
Ma'am, every matter has mass and shape, mass and space.
Very good. Very good. If you remember, I had showed it right in the beginning. All stuff, the entire stuff is in the universe is matter. Matter. Universe is made up of matter, and all the matter has space and it has mass. So these two things are common for every matter. Right?
Shabana ma'am,
Yes, Umar?
I was having a doubt in the last question. What is dark matter then?
Dark matter is something in which it's a void matter, and in fact 70 to 80% is made up of dark matter. Even the scientists have to discover what exactly it is. Okay, Umar?
Okay.
Okay, and I'm hoping you, my rights, would discover that. Yeah? Okay, right. So any further questions, any further queries? You understood what volume is? Volume is something which you measure of a matter. Okay. Any other question? Mass and weight is again the same, but weight will change. That I don't want you to go right now. Remember, mass and weight is the same. Right? Okay. Yes, Homera, we got it. What you said. Thank you, Homera. Okay. So now I'm going to do a breakout room. Okay. Hello, Hamdan. Is your video on, Hamdan, or is there an internet problem at your end? So I'm going to do a breakout room, and some of my students are going to be with Shazia ma'am and some of them with me. So are we okay for it right now?
Yes,
okay? Yeah. So we're going to have...
Shabana, before that, can you just make me a co-host?
I'm so sorry. Yes,
Yeah, that's all right.
I'll do that. There you go, Shazia ma'am. Am I all right?
Am I the co-host?
Okay.
Just let me check.
Create rooms. So in first room, I'm gonna have a.
Thank you.
Batul, how old are you, Batul? I'm sorry if you don't mind me asking you.
11.
Sorry, what did you say? I didn't get you. 11 years. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Shazia ma'am, I'm assigning. Just check whether it's all right.
Yeah, but I think so. I can't see them.
Okay, I've got both the Aishas with you. I've got Hamdan with you. I've got you with you. Humaira, Hamza, Juwaria. Right? And Ultimate Umar. How can I forget my Ultimate Umar? Okay, got it. Now I'm going in my room. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll see you after 10 minutes. Is that fine?
Yeah.
I love you all. I'll miss you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Okay, open all rooms.
Bye bye, everyone.
Like my
Meet
Umayma
you
does.
back.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Do I also have to join?
I'll show you now what we have to do. Okay. Hello! Oh my goodness! What is this? I'm with you guys. Oh my God! Oh my God! Help me! Help me! I'm with the smart Lord. Now what do I do? Oof. Okay, well, let's go ahead. Okay. I'll start a screen share with y'all. Yeah. Okay. Now we all know the bonus point given by Yahya. Okay. After that, what do I have? I have. Okay, we've seen the characteristics of matter, everybody. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. You know this matter? Okay. Matter is made up of particles. Any kind of matter we all know is made up of particles. And what are these particles? What are they called?
Molecules.
Atoms and molecules.
Atoms. Okay.
Atoms and molecules.
Atoms and molecules. Okay, fantastic. The particles are made up of atoms and molecules. You are correct. That means if I have this bottle, the solid, the bottle is made up of what? What is it made up of? Atoms and
molecules.
Yeah, even though liquid out here is made up of atoms and molecules, the air that I'm breathing is also made up of atoms and molecules. Now, what is the difference between atoms and molecules? Tell me. Yes, Rushda?
Ma'am,
Molecules are made out of atoms.
Okay, fantastic. Anybody else?
ma'am, atoms are small, atoms are big and molecules are smaller than atoms. And mostly people use the term in the particle place molecules, not atoms.
Okay, okay. Anybody else? Abdullah says that atoms are bigger and molecules are smaller. Okay, yes, Yahya.
Ma'am, Abdullah says opposite.
Abdullah is saying opposite. Yes, Yahya. Abdullah is saying opposite. Fantastic. Yes, go on. Anything else you want to add? Okay, tell me, can you see these atoms and molecules with your naked eye?
No.
Naked eye sounds so funny as if eyes are wearing clothes.
Ma'am, we need a telescope to see.
Yeah? Do your eyes wear clothes?
Microscope.
And then you say naked eye. Yeah, okay. You need a microscope. Fantastic. You need a microscope for it, and then you can actually see the atoms and molecules. Okay. We will see what are atoms and what are molecules. Atoms are the smallest particle of a substance. Okay. Absolutely the smallest of the substance. And molecules are also the smallest particle of a substance, but it shows all the properties of that particular matter. Okay, I'll give you an example. We'll see further and you will understand what I'm talking right now. That means when you see a particular molecule, you will be able to mention and specify what is the property of that particular matter. I'll give you examples. Don't worry, we'll understand later. Okay, what is atom made of? Atom is made up of nucleus. Yes. And nucleus
and neutrons.
And what is nucleus? Nucleus are made up of protons and neurons. Okay.
Electrons.
And electrons. Okay, so basically atom has a nucleus in the center, that would be right in the center, and it will be having electrons around it. Okay. Now that nucleus is made up of protons and neurons. Nucleus is positively charged. Nucleus is positively charged and electrons is negatively charged. This is the extra information I'm giving you right now. We will go into details later. But remember, nucleus, protons, so protons is positive, so it is positively charged, and electrons will be negatively charged. Now, what do you think molecules are made up of? What do you think molecules are made up of?
Atoms.
Atoms. Okay, molecules are made up of atoms. Fantastic. Okay. All right. Okay. Anas, right. I'll just tell you. All the particles, okay, in the matter are made up of atoms and molecules. All of them. Okay. Now, what are these atoms and molecules? We are trying to understand what is an atom and what is a molecule. Okay. Atom is the smallest particle of the substance. The smallest. You know, the tiniest, the most minuscule part is the atom. Okay. And what is that atom made of? Because see, everything is made up of something, right? Because if an atom is a matter, it will be made up of something. It is made up of nucleus
Nucleus.
and electrons.
Electrons.
Now, everybody has a property. Everything has a property. In fact, you and I also have a property. My property is I'm tall, right? Umema, my daughter's property is that she's got very long hair and she loves to talk a lot. And she's a drama queen. So that way, yes, I know, Rushda, even your sister Khadija is the same, right? So she's a drama queen. I know that, you know. Yeah, of course. Even Musfira is with that way, right? Okay. What about you, Batul? Is your younger brother that way? Is he a drama king? Unless your sister must be a drama queen. She is, right? As younger sister, they all are that way, right? So what is the properties of that matter? You will come to know looking at the molecule. Got it, Anas? Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you don't, doesn't matter. You can ask me 10 times. You can personally message me also. No problem about it. Okay, so now Rashda says that molecules are made up of atoms. Okay, so yes, molecules are made up of atoms. Now, it could be made up of similar, identical atoms, or it could be made up of different atoms. Got it? It could be made up of similar atoms or it could be made up of different atoms. I'll give you an example of molecule of simple one identical atom. Okay? Oxygen. Oxygen will have only oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule will have only oxygen atom. Tell me about water. What is the formula for water? Anybody?
H2O,
Hydrogen, carbon.
oxide. Hydrogen oxide.
H2O. So now here, which two atoms are you having?
Hydrogen and oxide.
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Oxygen.
Water is made up of H2O. So it's hydrogen and oxygen. Fantastic. So here again you have two different atoms. Got it? Is there anything else that you can tell me? Any other gas where there are two different atoms in it? Think. Think. Anybody? Come on, guys. I give you an example of water, H2O. So you have hydrogen, one atom, and you have oxygen, the other atom.
Then carbon dioxide.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, brilliant. Carbon dioxide. So carbon is one gas and dioxide, that is the byproduct, the bilateral of the oxygen, that is
Ma'am,
your other.
O2, oxygen.
O2 is one, identical. O2 is one. That is your identical. So it has oxygen atoms more. That's the reason it's O2, right? Here I'm talking about different atoms. That means different people, different entities. So carbon dioxide is one example. Fantastic. Okay. Now atoms, the shape of atoms are spherical. Spherical means it's like a sphere. Got it? Yeah. And what are the shapes of molecules? What do you think would be the shapes of molecules?
Like this picture over here.
Okay, the picture over there. Okay.
Circle.
Circle.
And straight and spherical.
Circle is spherical. So that means atoms are spherical and molecules are linear. Linear, that is in straight line. They could be angular or it could be in angles. or it could be triangular. So if you see the picture out there, all those balls are nothing but your atoms. And when those balls are connected with others, you know, like that gray, if you see, you have this 3 gray, the topmost picture out here, this 1, 2, and 3, right? So that would be forming your molecule. And here you are attached with another blue. That means this is 2 different atoms. They are combining together to form a molecule. So the light blues are all different atoms. The gray balls are all different atoms. The blue balls are again atoms. Now over here, can you see my, just about the molecules, if you see that atom, the gray is in between, right?
Yes.
And it's got 3 light blue balls. Can you see it? 3 light blue spheres, right? So now you have 1 atom of gray and 3 atoms of light blue. And they all are combining together to make what? When atoms...
Triangle.
Yeah, triangles. So what would that be? Right?
A molecule.
Fantastic. It is nothing but your molecule. So did you understand what is an atom and what is a molecule and how it is seen in the diagram? Anybody, any questions? Anas, Yahya, Abdullah?
What is protons and neurons?
Protons and neutrons, we'll be doing it later. That is a part of nucleus. We don't need to go into details right now. It's just for your information. I've given it to you. Okay. That will be given into...
We already learned it.
Yeah. Yeah, but they need to learn it yet, right? Alhamdulillah, Rushda's done that already. Okay. So nucleus would be your protons and neutrons. Which are positively charged. Yes. Yeah, here.
The dark blues are the connectors.
Yeah. No. The dark blue are again, they are also atoms. Again, they are also atoms. Got it? So the dark blue is again an atom, right? So atoms are spherical, okay, and they join together, okay? Atoms could join together, right? You have these 2 spheres and they're joining together and they form a molecule. I'll just stop the share for a minute, okay? Okay, you have this 1 atom, okay? You have another atom, okay? And when they join together, okay, maybe they're in a straight line and they form a molecule. Got it? And when I'm going to look at this molecule, I will be able to tell the properties of that particular substance. And how I will be able to say, I'll show you later. Okay, I'll show you now. So do you understand what I'm saying right now? Okay.
Yes.
For example, you have this 1 atom. You have 1 atom here. You have 1 atom here. So these 3 atoms combine together to form a molecule. Maybe the 4 atoms combine together, or maybe a 5 or 6 or 7. It depends. It depends all on the property of that particular substance. Got it? So your atoms are the smallest particle. Okay, and atoms join together to form a molecule. Yes, yeah.
It's like solid particles.
Solid, yes. Solid also and liquid also and gas also. It is for all the matter. Because your matter, no matter what state, it is... Abdullah, what are you doing? I can hear your gas coming, you know, that carbon dioxide coming up. I could hear it on the screen. Okay. So, you know, yeah, irrespective of the level of the matter, it could be solid matter, it could be liquid, or it could be gas. All of them are made of either atoms and molecules. All of them. Okay, all of them. Because after all, solid, yeah, and just listen to me. And a solid, liquid, and gas are made of particles. All of them are made of particles. And these particles are called atoms and molecules. Do you get it? Okay. Now what happens in solid? What happens in the solid? Are the molecules close by or the molecules far away?
Solids are, the molecules are close.
They are really close. Remember we did this? They are very close to each other. The molecules of solid are very, very close to each other. What about liquid? The molecules will be?
They're a bit spread apart.
Yep, very good. They're a bit spread apart. And what about the gas?
They're completely spread apart.
Exactly. Okay, Abdullah went like this. Okay, so it's that way. So these molecules decide, the space between them decides whether it is solid or liquid or a gas. Okay, I'll share the screen again and you'll get a bit more idea about it. Yeah. Okay, now I want to go to the examples of atoms. Examples of atoms are just atom of hydrogen, atom of carbon, that is C, atom of oxygen, that is O2. Okay. And what are the examples of molecules? H2O. So the atom of hydrogen, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combined together to find a molecule of water. Fantastic. Now carbon dioxide. So you have carbon and you have oxygen and they combine together to form a molecule of carbon dioxide. Then you have HCl. What is HCl? Anybody? H stands for what?
Hydrochloro.
H is for hydrogen. Fantastic.
Hydrochlorophyll.
Hydrochloric acid. HCl. HCl is nothing but your hydrochloric acid. So H means hydrogen. So it has a what? Atom of hydrogen, and Cl is what? Chlorine. So it has a molecule of a chlorine. So you understood atoms will be individual standalones. Molecules will be a combination of atoms. Maybe it could be the same atom combination, like in H2O. You see hydrogen. How many atoms are there of hydrogen? 1 or 2?
2.
Fantastic. And oxygen, how many are there?
0.
See, 0, no, 1. So when you have 1 of oxygen and you have 2 of hydrogen. Okay. Any confusion in this? Ask me, please, before I go ahead. Ibrahim, Yahya, Anas, Mohammed, Mohammadi, Omar, who's sitting behind, please ask me. Oh my God, Ibrahim is exited. How come?
Excited.
Oh, excited. Right.
That's
You're
nice.
like my, okay, you're like my Abdullah. The spellings are like, okay. Umar Jadwir, did you understand?
What is H2O and CO?
H2O is your formula for water.
Ma'am, do we have to write these formulas?
If you know, it's a simple, easy formula. When you say H2O, so that means you'll understand that H2O is the molecule of water in it, which it has 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Got it?
Yes. And what is
O2. CO2 is the gas that you give out, carbon dioxide. So you have 1 atom of carbon and you have 2 atoms of oxygen.
CO is carbon dioxide and oxygen.
CO2. You say it as CO2.
Okay.
And you will say H2O. H2O is water. You can write it down if you want. CO2 is carbon dioxide and HCl is nothing but your hydrochloric acid. Yes, Anas, I'm sorry, I can't see your chat. Tell me, please, unmute and say.
By mistake.
Okay, fantastic. Yes, Mohammadi, how much you've understood so far? Your mom is a science graduate, so definitely you must be knowing all this, right? Right? Okay. Right, can we move ahead? Okay. In 1 drop of water, how many molecules would be there? Can anybody tell me? In just 1 drop of water, how many molecules will be there? 4, okay.
1,000.
1,000, yes. Mohammadi, tell me, how many molecules of water in 1 drop of water?
3.
3, Abdullah says 3.
1 billion.
1 billion molecules would be present in just 1 drop of water. Can you imagine 1 billion? So can you imagine the size of it? Can you imagine how small the molecules are? How very small they are? 1 billion means what? Okay, I want y'all to find, this would be your assignment. Y'all can WhatsApp me personally. No need to put on Google Classroom. Why do ice creams occupy more space than water?
Because ice creams are frozen water, and when something freezes, it expands.
Okay. Right? Okay, Rashda, well done. I would expect even others to find out the reason and go let me know about it. And personally, WhatsApp me.
Ma'am, when we cool something, it expands, and when we like hot it, then
Okay,
it
so I guess
contracts.
you all are giving me answers out here. Fantastic. When you cool something, it expands. Rushda is correct. Abdullah is correct. Anybody else wants to give me an answer right now? Go on.
Ma'am, like if we bake a cake, so it expands and it becomes big.
Of the English
Okay, fantastic. Right? Okay. And even what Rashda said is right, that ice cream is basically frozen, right? And that's the reason it takes up less space. And obviously water, because liquid will take up more space. The molecules, why does it do that? Because the molecules are far away. In a solid, the molecules are very closely tight, knit together. And what Abdullah said is also correct. Heat expands and cold contracts. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I wanted to go ahead, but since we are running short of time, I wanted to do more about the molecules, the attraction and how do they function. But we will stop it over here and we are going to combine our class and do the activity. I'm so happy, Rashda, and I'm glad that you're giving me brilliant input, You could be my co-teacher. Yeah? Yes, Yahya, tell me. Sorry, Yahya?
Ma'am, are we experiment?
Yeah, we're going to do the experiment. That's why I'm combining the class. Otherwise, I wouldn't have combined the class. And don't worry, we have more to do on molecules. Any confusion, Anas, Abdullah, Muhammad, Batul, Yahya, you can ask Rushda. Don't worry. Right, Rushda? We can ask you. No, you can definitely ask her. Also, you can ask me also, okay? You can personally WhatsApp me. No worries about it. Okay, so we stop with a breakout room, close all rooms. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da! We are back! Avengers, assemble! Oh my God, my Avengers are assembling. Avengers, assemble! Yeah! Oh my God, what do you have? I don't believe this. Ooh, is that for me? Today's not March 28th. Then whose birthday is that? Shazia ma'am, you are muted.
It's for you actually, Shabana.
Oh, thank you. But my
You did the
laptop.
experiment. You did the experiment.
Yes, we did the experiment. And it is very nice and you all can do it later on, okay?
No, we'll just do it. We've got 5 minutes. You can just guide them. Come on, Juveria. Step 1.
Yes, I want Aisha Kazi or whoever was with me, Umar, they can actually show the experiment to the kids. Is it all?
Everybody will be saying 1 step. Is that okay, Shazia ma'am?
Yes, absolutely fine.
Okay, my Avengers, assemble your items. Get your hammers and your shield and... Sorry, I didn't ask for hammer and shield. What did I ask for? Okay, bottles and balloons. Okay. Right. So
Are you all ready to do the experiment?
Ma'am, are we going to fight crime with a balloon and the bottles?
Okay.
What he said.
Yes, Hamza. We will do that. Don't worry. We are going to fight Thanos with the balloons and the bottles. We are stronger than that. Okay. Juveria, say the step 1 of the experiment. Come on, everybody.
Juveria, can you unplug your headphones? Because we are not able to hear you.
Avengers, which were with me, please listen to what the other Avengers are saying. Peter Parker.
Ma'am,
Juveria, please unplug your headphones,
No,
Juveria.
We can hear her, right?
Can you hear Juveria? Because I'm the one, I'm not able. Okay, go on, Phil, then, Juveria. Go on.
Okay. First you have to fill your water bottle with third of vinegar. You have to fill your bottle with
1/3 bottle, okay?
Okay, thank you, Juveria. The next step will be said by Aisha Kazi. Just a minute. Come on, boys. Come on, Avengers. Fill your bottle 1/3 with vinegar.
Aisha Kazi, Aisha Aga, can you turn on your screen, please?
Ma'am, how many we have to put?
1/3 means more than half.
Ma'am, how many we
Less
have to
than
put?
half. Less than half.
1/3 would be this much. Yeah? It would be less than half.
Can you see this, Ibrahim?
Yes,
This is 1/3, okay? If you divide the bottle into 3 parts, you have to fill 1 part with the vinegar.
okay.
Okay, Aisha Kazi,
Ma'am, we
could you
have to
tell
pour
the
it with
steps
a
too,
funnel.
please?
I am pouring with a funnel.
We have to keep the bottle aside and take the balloon and attach it to the funnel.
And in case if you don't have funnel, don't worry. You can make it with a paper. You remember that Bhel Puri wala, he used to do it, roll it and do it, but don't do like this, and then, right? Don't do all that.
Shabana, I have made it with the bottle actually. I've cut the bottle into
Okay.
half and I've made this into a funnel. So you
So now,
just need to fix your balloon with the funnel, okay?
Ma'am, mine is too small.
it's okay. It's fine.
So
Now
first we have to put the vinegar into bottle. Then
Okay, vinegar. You put the vinegar in the bottle. Next is you have to attach your balloon to the funnel. Okay,
Did you do that?
and the third instruction is going to be given by Ultimate Umar, and then Aisha Aga can go. Okay. What do you have to do with the balloon and funnel now? What do you want to fill in it, Umar?
We need to put the balloon in the funnel and we need to fill baking soda in.
But how many spoons, Umar?
3 teaspoons.
3 teaspoons. Okay, go ahead.
Shazia ma'am, could you just repeat what Umar said, please?
Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take your baking soda and take 3 teaspoons, okay? 3 teaspoons into your balloon, okay? Into your balloon. So can you see my screen? And now I'm going to pour the baking soda into my funnel, okay? 1, this is 2, and this is 3, okay? 3 teaspoons of baking
Mohammed
soda into the
Saqib?
balloon.
Mohammed Saqib, you could just cut the bottom a bit and then fix your balloon, the bottom a bit of your paper and then fix in the balloon, please. Yeah, so that when you put the baking soda, it goes inside.
Are you all with me? Have you done this step?
Yes. Rushda,
No,
where
ma'am.
are
Yes,
you?
Rushda. Okay.
Okay, now after that, I think Aisha Aga, could you tell the next step? Everybody, are you with the Avengers?
no ma'am.
All my Peter Parkers and all
And
my
three
ants and
teaspoons.
wasps and Iron Man.
Baking soda.
So is it done? Is this step done with everyone?
And what we have to do after the teaspoon?
You have to just fill your balloon with the baking soda. 3 teaspoons of baking soda. This is little difficult part, but I think you can manage it.
You know, Shazia ma'am, they are my Avengers. They
Yes.
would just flick their fingers and it would happen, right? Come on, prove it.
After
My Avengers.
I really love the conversation with the rides like which I had. Alhamdulillah, it was really good, fantastic.
after the
Brilliant.
baking soda, what we have to do?
Did you fill?
Yes, now Aisha Aga will tell you what to do next.
the
Yeah,
vinegar.
Aisha Aga?
No, don't do it. Wait for the steps. Okay, wait, Ibrahim, wait. Who is next? Who is going next?
Aisha Aga.
Then you have to carefully remove it and put it on your vinegar bottle.
Okay. Then carefully just remove your balloon. Okay, from the funnel.
And put it on your vinegar bottle.
Okay. Then just fix it on the vinegar bottle. Okay.
Okay. Hamza, what happens when you do that? When you fix it on your vinegar bottle,
But
what
just
happens,
be
Hamza?
careful that you should not pour the baking soda into the vinegar bottle. The balloons, the baking soda should be still in the balloon. Okay. See, just like this. I can feel the baking soda inside the balloon. Don't pour it now. Can you see this? And can you follow the steps?
Perfect, perfect. Hamdan, Humaira Qasim, are you all there?
Yes.
Yes. Mohammed Saqib, are you able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
He's got vinegar from Dubai. He'll do it much better. Right, Mohammad Saqib?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have to attach it with the balloon to the bottle. Ma'am, you're muted.
Shazia, you're muted, Shazia.
Thank you. So you have to fix the balloon to the rim of the bottle, okay? The rim is the top part of the bottle. Yes, exactly. But your baking soda should be still in the balloon. Mohammed, are you able to do it? Okay, good, good. Now, who is going to tell the next step? Shabana?
Hamza, what is to be done next, Hamza?
Hamza?
Ma'am, I was not there.
He was not there actually.
Oh, he wasn't. Okay, so who's there?
Hamdan was there.
Hamdan, can you say? Humaira, can you say what's to be done next? Hamdan has a problem.
Yes, I
of
think so.
weak
Yes, he
internet.
was not able to turn on the screen also.
Okay, maybe you could just say, Shazia ma'am, we
Yes,
just
yes,
have 2 minutes
definitely.
to go.
So now you have to just pour the baking soda into the bottle, okay? Into the bottle. And I want you all to do it together and hold the balloon and the bottle together. Ibrahim, don't leave the balloon. Okay, just hold it. And my balloon will not blow because I have already used this vinegar.
Oh my goodness.
So it will inflate your balloon, okay? And by the way, what gas we are using?
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, Aisha Kazi, we have made carbon dioxide, okay?
Okay, guys. That is fantastic. And thank you so much for the balloons. Next time my birthday is there, I'm going to ask you all to do
Stir
it for
it
me.
little so that you could inflate more.
Wow. I like that. I really like that. Anas, I love the red color of your balloon. Fantastic. Thank you so much,
Thank
Shazia
you.
ma'am. We had a great time. We would want you to come
Definitely,
again.
I would like to. It's my
Okay?
pleasure, Shabana. I would like to come again.
Okay, and as promised to you all, I'm going to teach you something very disgusting.
Shabana, can I
Yes,
leave
Imran,
the
please
meeting?
come
Is it
over.
all right?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Jazakallah.
so
Bye
much,
bye, everyone.
Right. Bye.
Please come. I have to tell them.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
Look at me.
Okay, he's actually making bubbles with his saliva on the tongue and he's throwing it at me.
Shabana ma'am, this is a paid session for a guest or free session? Well, I just saw Imran, I could not resist. I had to come and say salams and hello. Anybody who can make bubble like Imran sir, you get free Turkish airline tickets.
That also from my side.
Absolutely. Okay, right. I just wanted to make an announcement. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, we have ambulance Dada coming. You log in the rights group only, right? You log in your login. I will get your teachers and Mandela all here. Okay, tomorrow, 12 o'clock, there's a special guest session. Everybody, all right? Umar, Aisha, Humaira, Yahya, Rujda.
Thank you.
Okay, Imran sir.
Okay,
Imran sir,
bye-bye. See you
continue.
all.
They're enjoying your session.
No. We're done with the session. Thank you, everybody. Plus, do not try this in front of your parents. They'll be finding it disgusting. So, thank you so much. Bye. See you all next time.